We got mail. Welcome back to my channel. We got a package today. I had made a post a little while back about the Mighty Hoop hooping station and why I don't have it. There were a lot of comments saying that I just don't know what I'm missing. So I ordered it. Here it is. One of the main reasons I ordered it is because my husband is starting to help me in my shop. And he has a hard time seeing things straight. Bless him. So I got this thinking maybe it'll help him. I also am interested in it. I'm interested in the hype. I'm interested to see what it's all about. And so I thought we would put it together. So here we go. I hope you can see this. So we've got all of this packing. We got thank you for your purchase. All the goodies. It can be adjusted to 3 different angles. When you receive your station, it will be flat. This position can be used for hooping items like towels and blankets. We've got these little attachment bars. Oh, I hope that was supposed to happen. Okay. I don't know if I need that or not. We got this. This holds our stabilizer, I'm assuming. And we've got the station. Okay. Alright. Okay, I see now. So this is how you would have it for so this flat position is good for towels, it said. Alright, and to adjust it, what I'm doing is I'm taking out this screw. Hang on, I'll show you if I ever get it out. Glory. Okay. So it's got this little screw and it's got this wing nut, and they just go into these little 3 dots on the side. And to adjust it, you take those out. Oh, I see. I'm gonna put my wing nut back in here. It'd probably be easier if I do it like this. Okay. Ta-da! Now, so this one goes on the top. So this is for stabilizer, I'm sure. The 11 by 13 to play with. And I didn't put it down far enough. It came with like a downloadable guide. I hope you can see that. And it just shows you like the placement. So if I was hooping a size medium, then putting it along these lines is where it needs to go. And then obviously this would scoot up as well. I think where I have it now would be for, yes, it would be for, so this is set up for a size large where I have it now. And this guide is for the 5.5 inch, the 8 by 13 inch, the 11 by 13 inch, the 4.25 inch, and the 8 by 9 inch. So there's a guide for all of those options with this purchase. Let's see. We're just gonna roll with it. We're just playing here. So these things hold down your stabilizer, and yes, it's too short. I'm just playing. So this would be a size large sweatshirt. Let's just throw it on here and see how it goes. So we line it up there. I guess we're straight. And we hoop and pop out, and it's ready. So that's pretty cool. It's gonna take some getting used to for me. I know my husband's gonna be able to do it no problem. Okay, so that's the Hoopmaster hooping system. Definitely gonna be beneficial for my husband to come in here and help me, because he doesn't hoop very well eyeballing. Now thinking I may need the smaller version for my toddler shirts. We'll see. I do get the hype for sure. So now I have to make space for it in my office. So that may be what we do tomorrow, because this whole corner is just, it needs some attention. So anyways, so that's the Hoopmaster hooping station system. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. So I do have a link that you can go through. If you go through my link for hoopmaster.com, you can get free shipping. So your girl likes free shipping is all I can say. So if you like free shipping too, use my link. I'm gonna put it in the description for you, along with all of my other links. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Comment below, are you gonna get one? Do you have one? Do you have the smaller one for the toddlers? And should I get that? Because I'm kind of thinking maybe I need it. So anyways, hope y'all have a great afternoon, evening, morning, whatever you're watching this. And I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.